Maine's biggest lake, Moosehead, has long been identified with the lumbering industry. The town of Rockwood, the lumbering center on the western shore of Moosehead, has its annual Lumberjack Day. Log rolling is one of the many sports contests, and here a real pro shows how easy log rolling really is. The girls obviously find nothing easy about it, but they're determined to beat the boys. The young men, amateurs all, make it clear that log rolling is really for the professionals. Canoe jousting, or tilting, was one of the many ways in which the old-time lumberjack sharpened his skill on the water.